What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, the Biz, Fishybizz Aquatics. Professional aquatics with the amateur touch, so amateurs, yep, get that professional look. You see this guy right here? I know, it looks like he steals garden gnomes out of nice lawns. Look at the pain and failure in those eyes. It's little Joe Munoz, and if you don't know that guy right there, then you must roll in the best of circles. But he is my itty bitty kitty, tiny, diminutive frenemy.
This is a very interesting trail.
Joe
Believe
Munoz.
it or not.
And well, Joe has come upon some hard times as of late due to the devastation of Texas, due to the weather, and I teamed up with another tuber, Aqua Funk, from Aqua Funk Aquatics. You might know him. When I asked Funk about Joe Munoz and his feelings, this is what he said. I don't care. Even though he didn't care about his feelings, we sure do care about his tanks. Here's what we came up with. That's Aqua Funk from Aqua Funk Aquatics. If you haven't checked out his video first before this one, you might want to go check that one out. He's going to actually set up how we are going to how we went from tank to tank to get some choice fish for Joe Munoz to get him back right. So with the help of Aqua Funk and Consolidated Fish Farms and myself, we pulled some funds together and was able to do a little something for Joe Munoz's tanks. Not Joe himself, because everybody knows, Munoz, you suck, but your tanks don't have to.
I don't even know what that is. I wouldn't even be able to say that name.
Flavor sense? I don't know, man.
Flavor sense.
All right, first of all, they're butchering flavescent. It's flavescent, Funk. Come on, man, you're embarrassing me. Anyway, as Funk goes through Consolidated Fish Farms with the proprietor and figure out what we're going to get, he asked me to make some decisions. He made some decisions himself, and this is what we came up with. First fish picked out, starting off with, is the Eureka Red Peacock Cichlid. The Eureka Red is also called the Fairy Cichlid. It can morph into several different colors, red, yellow, and gets about 15 centimeters, which translates to about 5 or 6 inches. And everybody knows that translates more than probably Joe's whole size of any of his extremities. Eureka, Joe. Finally, someone your size to pick on. The Eureka Red. Next up, the Strawberry Peacock Cichlid. I know exactly what you're thinking. That really looks like a dragon blood peacock cichlid. And that's why we got him a dragon blood peacock cichlid. Both Lake Malawi cichlids, both semi-aggressive omnivores. They both get up to 6 inches in length. So we definitely had to get this one for Joe. Very beautiful fish. Both the strawberry and the dragon blood. Still, along with the peacocks, he's kept with peacocks before. So, oh yeah, and Joe's favorite color is pink. So there it is. And I think his bedroom name is Dragon. You figure it out. So the strawberry peacock and the dragon blood peacock are now added to Joe Munoz's tank. Next up, the fire hap, also called the Red Empress. This is one of my all-time favorite haplochromous African cichlid, just for the simple fact of the all-out colors of this thing. A few videos back, I actually have a hybrid of Red Empress and a Maury Dolphin. Outstanding looking fish. Dazzling adult colors ranging from nice blues to popping reds, and and they're 5 to 6 inches too. So there you go.
It's getting hot in here. Had to change clothes for that one. But the size of that fire hat, Joe could definitely ride the back out of that fire hat.
Next up, the giraffe hat. Also called the Munoz, popular aquarium cichlid. A big fish, grows to about 10 inches in the aquarium, handsome color pattern, just a dazzling fish, attractive blue face when it matures, and it's also known as the Munoz cichlid, Munoz hat, and the Kalingo.
Along with his new giraffe hat, Joe is also known as Joey Lump Lump, Joe Miniature, Tiny Joe Young, Joe Dirty, or Dierte, and Joe Non-Exotica.
The Munoz hat. Next up, the Blue Neon Peacock Cichlid. The Blue Neon is definitely known by its blue fins and face, very similar to the fluorescent, which is also an awesome fish. You'll see the along with the blue face and the blue fins, you'll see as an awesome bright yellow body, and this fish gets 6 inches long also. The Blue Neon.
And then there's Joseph McNugget, Joe Soho, Joe Slow-Mo, Joey No-No, Joe So-So, DJ Joey Whoa, Joe King of DIY. No, that's not one.
Next up, the Sulfurhead Peacock. The Sulfurhead Peacock is Alanacara mylandi. Have the males with the unique black body and the yellow blaze from the nose to the dorsal fin. Outstanding cichlid. I've had several. Love these guys. Max size about 6 inches. Aggressive temperament, which is normal for all of the African cichlids. We got 2 more to go. Let's get it. Also, Joe has a blaze too. It's his ugly face. Could not give him one of my favorites. OB Peacocks on deck. That's right, we rolling with the OB Peacock. What you doing there, sir? You're not moving? Huh? You camera shy? That's right. My OBs ain't shy. OB Peacock Cichlid A is a hybrid of the Alanacara, which is the peacock cichlids, from Lake Malawi. And like most of the species of African cichlid, the OB peacock lives in small groups, single male with a small group of females. We call it a harem, which Joe Munoz will never have. And they lay claim to small pieces of territory. Aggressive, baby. Let's get it.
The OB peacocks get about 6 inches long. And for those that don't know what the OB stands for, it stands for orange blotched. So you see those little different colors blotched all over their body. Kind of like Joe Munoz's face when he was in 6th all the way to 15th grade.
Last but not least, the Dimidiochromi compressiceps, also known as the Malawi eye biter. And this is the albino eye biter. Ooh! Check these guys out. These guys start off as gray, almost like a female red imp, but look at the body shape of this fish. Guys, the gray with the black lines going through it, that's in its juvie stage, or maybe a female. Now, when you start seeing it color up and it gets into this nice royal blue, whoo, now that's the big boy right there. That's the fella. You got it? That's the big fella. So the Malawi eye biter can get up to about 9 inches. The torpedo-shaped body makes it an outstanding predator hat. And it doesn't play, baby. It goes at it. And from the regular color to the all albino, look at this. Just a thing of beauty. Sheer white with the yellow stripe. Can't beat it. Red eyes. Let's go. Beautiful Malawi eye biter.
So there you have it. Now, we haven't told them how many we were able to get, but we definitely were able to get the categories in there and the species of fish. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Munoz, I hope you enjoy.
I hate you, Munoz.
I mean, you've been a real supporter.
Joe,
a
you've been a real jerk.
troll, but you've been real positive. in your
You've been
trolling. So
positively negative.
I appreciate you. I hope you continue to troll.
I'ma beat
And,
you the fuck up.
Hey man, make a video after you get these things, man. I'm sure the people want to see. Hey yo, and if you guys want Joe Munoz to make a video after he receives his fish, tell him to make a video, man. Put it in the comment section. Let me know what's good. And Joe bites eyes, thighs, legs, and fries.
He also bites tortillas. Yo
Joe
quiero
Munoz,
Taco Bell,
the kid you love to hate.
quesadillas,
Straight up.
churros.
FishyBizz out.